Hey, I'm Landry Argabright with A Bright Exterior Cleaning, and today we're soft washing a stucco home in Fairfield Bay, Arkansas. So this is a soft wash setup. That was your manifold. That's your water tank. Got your SH tank, and then got more water up front in those large containers. Around back is where you see the problem. The patio and the back right wall are covered in mold and algae. This is years of growth, not one bad season. Soft washing is not pressure washing. Pressure washing throws water at the surface, and on stucco, that's how you blow out the texture and drive water into the wall. Soft washing does the opposite. Low pressure and a cleaning solution that kills the mold and algae at the root before it gets rinsed. The chemistry does the work, not force. So you've seen that the soft wash has taken some of the growth off, but now, wow, what a difference there. We've still got the bottom part. We're going to take care of that in a second, but the difference is already very noticeable. I'm applying a simple concentrate there. Stucco is porous. Mold doesn't just sit on top of it, it settles down into the texture, which is why rinsing a stucco wall never actually fixes it. So you can see here I'm going inch by inch with the soft wash system, low pressure the whole way, pulling back the embedded growth that has been killed by the wash and concentrate. High pressure would strip the finish, but low pressure is doing the job here. And we can see a good finish there. This is a good view of how bad it has gotten, and there's a reason for that. This house doesn't have gutters. With no gutters, every rain comes straight off the roof and down the walls. The stucco stays wet, especially in the shaded areas, and wet stucco grows mold. Add years without a wash and your past maintenance, this is restoration. It all comes off, it just takes more product, more dwell time, and a lot more patience. The house is a single story out front with a skylight kind of in the back portion facing forward. All of that got cleaned up there, the windows too. That's usually the part a homeowner can't safely reach. So we took care of all the windows on this home. You can see me quickly taking care of one in the back. Going through the before photos here, you can see that there's a lot of growth throughout the whole house. And this was a full exterior soft wash. What that means is you don't just clean the side the neighbors see and leave the rest. Clean all of it. And onto the after photos. You can see the stucco is back to its real color, mold gone. If your place in Fairfield Bay looks like those before shots, it's fixable. A Bright Exterior Cleaning. Call or text 870-705-5571 for a free quote.